Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make pickle Kool-Aid. This unique and surprisingly delicious drink is simple to prepare with just a few ingredients. First, you will need 1 gallon of dill pickle juice, preferably from a jar of whole pickles. Next, grab 1 packet of your favorite unsweetened Kool-Aid mix, like cherry or grape. Finally, measure out 1 cup of granulated sugar. Now, let's get mixing. Carefully pour the full 1 gallon of dill pickle juice into a large pitcher or container that can hold at least 1 1/4 gallons. Next, open your chosen packet of unsweetened Kool-Aid mix and add all of its contents directly into the pickle juice. Use a long spoon or whisk to stir the mixture thoroughly until the Kool-Aid powder is completely dissolved and the color is uniform. With the Kool-Aid dissolved, it's time to sweeten things up. Gradually add the 1 cup of granulated sugar to your pickle juice and Kool-Aid mixture. Stir continuously as you add the sugar to ensure it dissolves completely and evenly throughout the liquid. Once all the sugar is incorporated, cover your pitcher and place it in the refrigerator. Allow it to chill for a minimum of 2 hours for the best flavor. After chilling, your pickle Kool-Aid is ready to enjoy. Give it one final stir before pouring it over ice in your favorite glass. For an extra touch, you can garnish your drink with a fresh pickle spear. This unique beverage is a fun and surprising treat. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade pickle Kool-Aid.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.